I think we live in a world where maybe you could love and hate DOGE at the same time. And I'm going to bring up a Twitter thread that maybe kind of illustrates this.
Okay.
And this is a Twitter thread of accountants, actually. If I can add this, hopefully I have it open correctly here. Yeah. So essentially, this is a Twitter thread from Craig House, CPA. His Twitter handle is CPA Tax Team. And he tells a story about a client. Client had the return reviewed and refund delayed because of a $38 discrepancy. The IRS took 2 years to finally issue a refund for the full amount and added $1,800 of interest for the delay. It cost U.S. taxpayers $1,800 of interest to resolve. Our government cost citizens that much just on one client. How many other stories like this are there out there? And a lot of accountants are, telling their similar stories. But this is I think in theory, people love the idea of the government getting more efficient, operating better. I think it's the method that's happening from DOGE where people are conflicted. And I think you can love DOGE and hate DOGE at the same time.
I think people hate DOGE because they hate Elon Musk. And I think they hate Trump. It's like a gut reaction that like everything the new administration does is bad. It's like when Biden came into office and everything Biden did was terrible, according to Republicans. And now that Trump's in office, everything Trump does is bad. Everything. Like you can't find one good thing. I didn't. I am not I'm a registered Republican. I didn't vote for Trump. Okay, I've never voted for Trump. But that doesn't mean that I can't see the possible good in what his administration is doing. I try to look beyond what the media is trying to bias me to think. And I feel like very few people do that anymore.
I could kind of see, if you step back and you could put yourself into Trump's shoes. Or no, I'm sorry, Elon Musk's shoes. And I remember the tweet, it was almost like 2 years ago. He tweeted at our favorite Elizabeth Warren about how he just wrote like the biggest check in U.S. history for taxes. He had to write a $1.8 billion check or whatever he wrote to the IRS for taxes. So I could see if you're writing the government a check for $1.8 billion, you might have some opinions how that money's being spent. I almost could like see his point of view on this a little bit, right? But I agree. Yeah. People either don't like him, they don't like Trump, and it's easy to get in these gut reactions.
Oh, yeah.